Hello friends, welcome to a new video from Health and Techie. Today we are going to see that how to grow an aloe vera plant 3 times faster than it normally do. I have already grown this aloe vera using this method, so please watch this video until the end, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon also. The ingredients required for this is some banana peels and used eggshells and some used tea dust powder. Okay, let's see how to make the special mix. First of all, you have to cut the banana peels into small slices as I am going to do now. You have to make the banana peels into smaller slices as much as you can do. For one aloe vera plant, 4 to 5 banana peels should be sufficient. You can use any type of banana peels for this potting mix. Okay, you have to cut it with a sharp knife and make it really finer like this. Okay, now our banana peels is almost ready, and the another ingredient is the eggshells. You have to dry the eggshells in sunlight, and then you have to crush the eggshells into a bowl like this. Eggshells are the important source of calcium, and it is very important for the growth of your aloe vera plant. After crushing the eggshells into a bowl, you have to make it finer. You can make it the powder of the eggshells as well as to make the special potting mix more effective. Sorry, this is not the potting mix. This is a type of fertilizer which I am going to use. Okay, now you have to mix the eggshells along with the banana peels, and then you have to add the tea dust into the mixed eggshells and the banana peel, and then again you have to mix it thoroughly. So this is the fertilizer which I am going to apply on my aloe vera, and I am going to show you how to apply this on your aloe vera plant. You have to apply all around it like this. You have to place it a layer of this fertilizer on its top like this. You can use either fresh tea dust or used tea dust as well, and this is how you have to apply this fertilizer to your aloe vera plant. Okay friends, this is how you have to grow aloe vera plant faster, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in our comment section, and please subscribe to my channel, and if you want an update on the video, please let me know in our comment section, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.